I suppose you should be able to see the screen. Are you able to see the screen with Vithoba picture? आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन? आशा, आर यू एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन? सबका म्यूट है, म्यूट निकालो.
Yes.
हाँ, इथे आहे ना. हाँ. आता पहिले वी हॅड टू अभंग फर्स्ट, सुंदर ते ध्यान उभे विटेवरी and Rajas Sukumar. That was done in the first book reading event. Second book reading event which we had near Ayodhya, we had Vishnu Jaga Vaishnavancha Dharma and Jana Vijana Zhale Amma. That was page 44. Now, Paravya Nari Mauli Samana, that is page 46, and Kanya Sasura Sizai, page 50. So, if you have the book, you can open the page, otherwise, you can see it on the screen. So, let me go to page 42. You see how I can do that. Okay. Maybe I'll scroll. Okay, so we are here. Shall I start reading? See, this is an Abhanga of Tukaram Maharaj, in which he is showing a simple and a very sure way to reach God. Tukaram Maharaj wants that spirituality should be a very simple thing. There should be no complication. So he gives very simple advice. So let us read this Abhanga and then we will do the translation. पराव्या नारी माऊली समान मानिलिया धन काय वेचे न करिता परनिंदा परद्रव्य अभिलाष काय तुमचे यास वेचे सांगा न करिता परनिंदा परद्रव्य अभिलाष काय तुमचे यास वेचे सांगा. I think I repeated that. Now next one. नाही पैसे लिए ठाई म्हणता राम राम काय होय श्रम ऐसे सांगा संतांचे वचन मानिता विश्वास काय तुमचे यास वेचे सांगा. And after that I will have to skip this page because this continuation is after one alternate page. Then खरे बोलता कोण लागती सायास. Are you able to see the screen? Everybody is able to see the screen, right? खरे बोलता कोण लागती सायास. आशा, just give me a feedback. If you have any difficulty, give me a feedback. Kamal, if are you able to see the screen? Kamal?
Yes, yes, I can see the
Okay.
screen.
So, खरे बोलता कोण लागती सायास काय वेचे यास ऐसे सांगा. Then the last line in Tukaram Maharaj Abhang, the last line is always Tuka म्हणे. तुका म्हणे means Tuka says. तुका म्हणे देव जोडे याचसाठी आणिक ते आटी नलगे काही. So this is a very beautiful Abhanga. Let us see the translation. First line, that was Paravya Nari Mauli Samana Maniliya Dhana Kaya Vece. So the meaning is, if you have the book, you will see the Abhanga on the left page and the translation on the right page. I will read the translation. The first line says, if you treat anyone else's woman as a mother, will you incur any financial expense? This is our typical hostel language. ऐसा करने से तेरा कोई पैसा खर्चा होने वाला है क्या? You're not going to incur any expense, so why don't you do that? He's giving a very strong advice to treat anybody else's woman as a mother because you're not going to incur any expense in doing this. Simple way. Second line, न करता पर निंदा पर द्रव्य अभिलाष काय तुमचे यास वेचे सांगा. So if you do not criticize others, परनिंदा, and if you do not covet others' wealth, दूसरों के पैसे पे नजर नहीं रखोगे, तो विल यू इनकर एनी फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंस? कोई खर्चा होने वाला है क्या? खर्चा तो होने वाला नहीं है, तो ऐसा ही करो. डू नॉट क्रिटिसाइज अदर्स. इट इज अ वेरी सिंपल लाइन, and it is coming from a saint. So we need to understand this. It is very easy for us to jump into criticizing others, but we just don't know what is that person's background, reason, psychology, his prejudices, his biases. Since we don't know what he is passing through, when he does something, we have to be very careful before we criticize. Sometimes we do not agree with somebody's decision. Sometimes we do not agree with somebody's behavior. But what Tukaram Maharaj says is stop criticizing. Avoid criticism. जो है वो है, छोड़ो. क्रिटिसाइज करने से फायदा क्या है? हम लोग हॉस्टल में 4 4 घंटे बात करते थे. रात को खाना खाने के बाद 9 बजे से लेकर कमल, ये बराबर है ना? रात को 9 बजे चालू करेंगे, 9:30 बजे खाना खाने के बाद तो रात को 2:30 बजे तक डिस्कशन डिस्कशन एंड डिस्कशन. द एंड ऑफ द डिस्कशन वाज, चलो अभी जाएंगे पंडित जी के यहाँ पराठा खाने. सो no use, 4 hours wasted. But so Tukaram Maharaj is advising, if you do not criticize others and if you do not covet other people's wealth. अभी समझो अंबानी के पास लाखों करोड़ों रुपया पड़ा है, उससे जेलसी महसूस करने से हमारा फायदा तो कोई नहीं होने वाला है, तो क्यों जेलसी मैंने महसूस करना है? Somebody will always be richer than us, and there are many people who are poorer than us. So all the saints advise, do not look at a rich man's money. कोई कोई लोग सोचते हैं ये आदमी भोला है, इसके पास से मैं थोड़ा पैसा ले सकता हूँ, या अपनी जेब में पैसा है फिर भी दूसरों को पैसे मांगते फिरते घूमते हैं. तो ये तो करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. दिस इज व्हाट तुकाराम महाराज इज सेइंग. देन विल कम टू द थर्ड लाइन. थर्ड लाइन सेड, वैसे लिए ठाई म्हणता राम राम, काय होय श्रम ऐसे सांगा. Very simple advice. If you chant the name of the Lord, if you chant Ram, 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 Jai Ram, or Jai Shri Ram, फ्रॉम वेर एवर यू आर सिटिंग. अब मैं गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ, ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, माई माइंड इज फ्री, आई कैन डू वॉट एवर आई विश. आई कैन आइदर चैंट राम नाम, or I can worry about something, I can think about something. So what is the advice? If you are sitting idling, why don't you say Ram Ram? Will there be any exertion for you? Will you be tired if you just keep saying Ram Ram? That is the way Tukaram Maharaj is asking the question, कि उसमें कोई आपको श्रम होने वाले हैं क्या? बैठे बैठे जगह पे राम राम बोलो. कोई श्रम होने वाले हैं तो बताओ, ऐसे सांगा. So very simple language. He's trying to convince you what you should do, how you should behave, how you should govern your own life. And then the fourth one, संतांचे वचनी मानिता विश्वास, काय तुमचे यास वेचे सांगा. संत के वचन में if you place your trust, will you lose anything? Will you lose anything if you place your trust in the truth told by saints? See, Tukaram Maharaj has said संतांचे वचने, but that means when Santa is talking something, he is talking the truth. So that is why in the translation I have written, will you lose anything if you place your trust in the truth told by saints? Saints. So saints will always tell you the truth. And it's a simple decision Tukaram Maharaj is giving us to us. ज्यादा तकलीफ मत लो, ज्यादा टेंशन मत लो. संत क्या कहते हैं उसको सुनो. संत जो कहते हैं उसको सुनने से हमको हमारा दिमाग चलाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ज्यादा डिस्कशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ वी डिस्कस वन पॉइंट विद 10 people, वी नो दैट देयर आर एटलीस्ट 5 different views, and then we get more confused than we were before. So instead of adding to the confusion, why don't we decide that yes, a saint knows much more than we know. A saint has seen. A saint has seen the world on the other side of this world, जो हमारी दुनिया से ऊपर वाली दुनिया है, where there is the presence of the divine. Saints have gone into that world, they have experienced that world, and they are telling you words from that word. So why not we listen to the saints? And what are the saints telling you? Saints is telling you all this. Treat anybody else's woman as a mother. Then do not criticize others. Do not covet somebody's wealth. Then बैठे बैठे है तो राम नाम जपो, और किसी को संतों ने क्या कहा उसमें विश्वास करो, ऐसा संत कहते हैं। पांचवा लाइन लेंगे। खरे बोलता कोण लागती सायास, काय वेचे यास ऐसे सांगा। सिंपल, वेरी इजी एडवाइस, नो कॉम्प्लिकेशन। खरे बोला, simple. Talk the truth. Truth can be inconvenient many times. Truth can be inconvenient, so many times we do not speak the truth. People develop a habit of hiding the truth, avoiding talking the truth, or telling deliberate lies. This kind of a decision, sometimes people even train their children to talk untruth. बोलते हो डैडी घर में नहीं है, बोल दो फोन पे। अरे तुमने बच्चों को क्या सिखाया ये? डैडी घर में है, डैडी घर में नहीं है बोलो फोन पे, बच्चा तो बोल देगा। बट संस्कार क्या हो गए? बच्चा जाएगा स्कूल में, उधर झूठ बोलना ही सीख जाएगा। और जब बच्चा झूठ बोलता है तो जो झूठ बोलने वाले लोग ही उसके पास आएंगे। ही विल अट्रैक्ट कंपनी ऑफ पीपल, children who are accustomed to telling lies, so he will be in a bad company. Don't poison the mind of a child by teaching him to talk untruth. So for that, you have to talk the truth. And if the truth is very inconvenient, do not speak, but don't tell untruth. Or you can even do something like what Dharmaraj did, Narova Kunjarova. You can even say, I don't know. I'm not very sure. Yes, ऐसा है या वैसा है पता नहीं, लेकिन मेरे को पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा। झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा, ये मटेरियल स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड का सेंटेंस है, मटेरियल वर्ल्ड का सेंटेंस है। कन्वीनियंस जब है तब झूठ बोलो, जब कन्वीनियंट नहीं है तभी सच बोलो। So best thing is, we have to decide whether we want to live in the material world or we want to live in the spiritual world. Okay, for the first 50, 60 years of life, material world does get priority, but let us see that we should not poison our career in the spiritual world also. क्योंकि आगे आगे स्पिरिचुअलिटी करना है। अभी सपोजिंग वन ऑफ यू, सम ऑफ यू मे बी ओनली 30 ईयर ओल्ड, 40 ईयर ओल्ड, 50 ईयर ओल्ड। सो यू विल से चलो अब मैं 10 साल 20 साल झूठ बोल लेता हूँ, उसके बाद सच बोलूंगा। ऐसा नहीं होता है, क्योंकि आपको एक बार आदत लग गई तो आदत लग जाएगी, और आपके आसपास में वैसे ही लोग आएंगे। यू विल अट्रैक्ट द कंपनी ऑफ व्हाट यू स्पीक। इफ यू आर accustomed to talking untruth, you will attract people who talk untruth. So that is why Tukaram Maharaj is giving a simple advice. खरे बोलता कोण लागती सायास, काय वेचे यास ऐसे सांगा. The translation of this is, why do you find it difficult to speak the truth all the time? क्यों तुमको तकलीफ हो रही है? कोण लागती सायास, आपको सच बोलने में तकलीफ क्या है बोलो? डू यू हैव टू स्पेंड एनी मनी? सच बोलोगे तो पैसा खर्चा होगा क्या? पैसा खर्चा तो नहीं होने वाला है, तो सच बोलो। इन द एंड तुकाराम महाराज सेज, तुका म्हणे देव जोडे याच साठी, आणिक ते आटी न लगे काही. दिस इज एन ओल्ड मराठी. आटी मीन्स सायास, प्रयास, effort, आटी. So he says, Jode. Jode means join or get. You will get. So the meaning of this last line is, Tukka says, you will meet God simply by following the advice given above. If you follow this advice, Tukaram Maharaj has given the seeds, guarantee you will get God. If you stick to this advice, you do not have to make any other big effort. योग करने की जरूरत नहीं है, मेडिटेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई जंगल में जाके तपश्चर्या करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। आपको भगवान चाहिए, भगवान आपके सामने आके खड़े हो जाएंगे। तो तुकाराम महाराज कहते हैं, घर में बैठो, आपके बैठी जगह पे भगवान आपके पास आ जाएंगे। आप प्यार से भगवान को पुकार लो, भगवान का नाम ले लो। लेकिन ये जो कहा है उन्होंने, ये भी सुन लो। So I am coming with this to Bara Abhanga. If you people have read Bara Abhanga of Tukaram Maharaj, that is a very interesting reading and that is a very interesting thing to learn by heart. I would advise Asha, Jayant, Kaushik. Kaushik, I'm so happy you are here. I'm really very, very happy. Kaushik is here. Kaushik is my friend from Hindustan Petroleum. Very, what do you say? Friendly, very active, very energetic, and very talkative also. And he's very active on the phone. Kaushik is a very lovable boy. He's still a boy, maybe more than 75, but he's a boy. Hi, Kaushik. बराबर है ना? Remove your mute. तेरा mute निकाल दे. So with this, we have finished the first Avanga, and what I am thinking that we will not go more than this because as it is I'm traveling, I'm not very sure how much you are able to get connection, how much you are able to understand. But basically, I have shown everything on the screen. So you have got it. Even if you have not heard me, you got it. Let us scroll once through with this Abhanga. That should be enough for today's objective. So I will repeat and scroll. Tukaram Maharaj is saying, showing a simple and sure way to reach God in this Abhanga. Paravya Nari Mauli Samana Maniliya Dhana Kaya Vese. If you treat anyone else's woman as a mother, will you incur any financial expense? न करता परनिंदा परद्रव्य अभिलाष काय तुमचे यास वेचे सांगा. If you do not criticize others and if you do not covet others' wealth, will you incur any financial expense? That is the translation. Third one. वैसिलिय ठाई म्हणता राम राम काय होय श्रम ऐसे सांगा. You chant the name of the Lord from wherever you are sitting. Will it be any exertion for you? The fourth line. संतांचे वचनी मानिता विश्वास काय तुमचे या सवेचे सांगा. If will you lose anything if you place your trust in the truth told by saints? And let's come to the fifth line. खरे बोलता कोण लागती सायास काय वेचे यास ऐसे सांगा. Why do you find it difficult to speak the truth all the time? Do you have to spend any money? And the last line, तुका म्हणे देव जोडे याजसाठी आणिक ते आटी न लगे काही. Tuka says, you will meet God simply by following the advice given above. You do not have to make any other big effort. So with this, what happens now? I will show you the big, beautiful thing which we have done on this book. You go up at the beginning of every Abhang on the right hand side, you will see a QR code. Is everybody seeing the QR code? Now we are finished with the reading of the Abhanga, reading of the book. So everyone can please remove your mute, unmute yourself because we are going to do the discussion part. What I'm going to show a demo now. I have a mobile in my hand. I guess you can see this. And there is this putty of Google strip. You have the Google strip with G written on the left hand side and there is a lens on the right hand side. I have to touch that lens and open that lens. Once I open that Google lens and I scan this QR code, I get a thing called youtube.com. Then I click on the click button and this Abhanga will start playing. So you will get the benefit of Shravan Bhakti. There is Shravan Bhakti, and there are nine Navavidha Bhakti. Shravan is one type of Bhakti. And you must have realized this that whenever you are listening to an Abhanga from Bhimsen, you get connected with the divinity inside you. You start feeling happy. So why not take that happiness by listening to Abhanga? They make a habit of listening to Abhangas. So let's see this by scanning the code, the Abhanga has started playing Suresh Wadkar. I would suggest because many of you, some of you might not have heard this Abhanga. But it's not coming here. I will have to play it on. I will have to play it on this. Wait. Now let us get into the discussion part because it's not going to work this way. There is a different way to make the abhanga work. So I will stop the abhanga. You know the trick how to get the abhanga. There are 52 translations in this. So 52 popular abhanga of Tukaram Maharaj. For each abhanga, there is a QR code. You should read the
Okay.
translation, then take the QR code, scan it with your mobile, and listen to the abhanga. Some of them I'm sure you might not have heard. If you hear them 4 5 times, you will start liking them, and then you may get addicted to listening to abhanga all the time. And if that happens, you can be very sure that you are on a very good track. So let's do that. Uh, Asha, this with this I will stop my part of the book reading, and we have just 10 minutes left, so we will have some talking, some discussion, some feedback. चलो, आशा काय म्हणते? बोल ना, टॉक. हॅलो, आशा. हॅलो, कौशिक. हे कौशिक. हाय. हॅलो. कौशिक.